How to enable or disable block offensive words for Google Voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then, in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. From here, we then scroll down. So scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, we scroll down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. In here, tap on Google Voice Typing. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Then at the top, tap on Block Offensive Words. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn on Block Offensive Words for Google Voice Typing. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.